We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. In this video, I will show you how to clean your scanner glass on an Epson WorkForce WF-3720 printer. So first step is to open the scanner lid and expose the glass. Then you want to grab your favorite glass cleaner and a lint-free cloth. You will not want to put the cleaner on the glass directly. You'll want to put it on the cloth. Then you'll wipe the scanner gently. Sometimes you might notice some whiteout or other pen marks on here, so you may need to clean it more than one time. If you're using the automatic feeder, which is this part right here, then you'll want to focus on this little piece of glass. But if you're seeing defects when you're using the flatbed, then you'll want to focus on the bigger piece of glass. If the defects persist, it may be time to service your printer. Thanks for watching and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.